dancing in the shower, doing my thing, da 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 da. It's a good day. Hi guys, I'm Courtney Bonds. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to do a wash day because people often ask me, what do I do on my wash day? I know my hair looks kind of a mess right here, but let's get into it. So first you need a comb. You also need some clips. I also have my shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to link all this at the bottom, by the way. And a protein treatment is what I'm going to do today. And also a deep conditioner. I'm starting off spraying my hair right here with some water because my hair is like super dry and I want to go ahead and part it into sections, but before doing so I want to do it as gently as I can at this moment, even though it may seem like it's a little bit rough. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and fast forward through that. But what I'm doing is separating it into 4 sections so that it's easier for me to wash. So I'm on the phone in the background with a cutie patootie. But anyways, so I'm separating the hair into 4 so that when I do wash it, I can get everything pretty thorough. It does not have to be, even 4. It's just as even as you can get it. So now I'm starting off with my shampoo, and I am very low on shampoo. But anyways, I am using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo. It works really well with my hair and with my hair type. And what I try to do here is obviously you saturate the hair first with water. And when I'm going in with my shampoo, I mostly put the shampoo at the roots of my hair versus at the end. My ends are already a little bit dry, so I don't want to over dry them by, putting too much product at the end. So I'm going through and just starting at the root and trying my best to just really dig into that area before I rinse it off. So it's actually pretty difficult for me to see right here. So I'm just gonna bust into a dance bag. Ow, ow. So now I'm going to go in with a strengthening treatment. I said protein earlier, but this is a strengthening treatment by Aphogee. I hope I pronounced that correctly, but it is so quick and so easy for me to do this versus the protein treatment itself. And it's really because these 2 steps can be done in way less time than their other protein treatment, and it's applied the same way. So I'm going in with the first step, which is just putting that strengthening on, and it makes your hair pretty hard, just like a protein treatment would. So by the time I get to the front, I have saturated every single thing. But I take extra time to go over the middle of my hair because that is where I need most of the strengthening. That's where the hardest part of my hair is and where I need more product. So once I do that, I go ahead and put on a shower cap and let that sit without waiting under a dryer or anything. And make sure you have all parts of your hair under this cap. And I let that sit for 10 minutes. So once that's done, obviously you can see that everything's a little warm. Wow. You see that? My hair looks a little bit hard, and it's because it is going through a strengthening. So from there, you wash that product out, but make sure to do it pretty gently. You do not want to, hurry up and rush through this process because your hair is in a very fragile state with this product on it. And you want to go ahead and rinse it out. I look like I'm really enjoying this, and I think I am. So moving right along, I have rinsed out the product, and now instead of separating my hair into 4, I'm going to separate it into 2 so that I can get the second part of the treatment going, which is a balancing conditioner. You're definitely going to need that balancing conditioner because right there, my hair still looks a bit hard, and that conditioner is really pH optimized so that it can just balance out your hair because you have so much strength that you've just put in there. And I keep looking at the camera because I do not have my glasses on, and I'm trying to make sure that I am looking at you guys and putting on everything correctly. So I like this conditioner though. It's obviously not as heavy as other conditioners or just like your regular conditioner or a deep conditioner, but it is a pretty nice consistency. And you leave that on for 2 minutes. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes. I have had yet another dance break. And now I'm to the point where I'm washing out this conditioner, but we still have quite a few steps to go before we get to deep conditioning and styling, all of those things. So now I'm heading back in with my conditioner, and this is again the Jamaican black castor oil conditioner. I need to do better with these shampoos and conditioners that I'm running out of, Lord Jesus. So when I'm applying this, I start at the end, unlike the other products that I've been applying, and that's because the ends are the driest, so I'm trying to condition those the most. Girl, look at those curls, girl. I see you, girl. So after 2 minutes, I go ahead and rinse that out, and I'm getting ready to put in my deep conditioner. So I'm doing as much of a thorough wash as I can and using a microfiber towel here. So really quickly, you do not want to use anything other than microfiber or a t-shirt on your hair before you go into your deep conditioner. So I'm using the Argan oil deep conditioner, which is so good for my hair. To be exact, it's the Argan Oil Intensive Conditioning Treatment, and it just leaves my hair looking so nice and feels so conditioned after I use it. So right now I'm going back in, separating my hair into 4s again, or actually I think I'm doing 6s this time. Yeah, so I'm doing 6s on this one, so that it's easier for me to get the product through. And the reason is because I want to move into detangling my hair while I'm deep conditioning. So I'm starting at the back, and I mean, my hair is already looking 10 times better than it did at the beginning of the video. So now I'm going through, putting on that deep conditioner, and I'm just taking a comb and making sure that the product is evenly distributed throughout my hair. You can also do this with a brush, preferably a brush, so that something with a few more teeth so that it can get through your hair. But I just reached for my comb really quickly, and I can already see that my curls are starting to really pop with the products that I have already put on my hair. So once I get through that, I'm finally at the end, and this is kind of a laborious process. I would take my time, and moving on to putting on my shower cap, and I'm going to deep condition probably for about an hour. From there, I do a final rinse and I move into style. So I know this was kind of a quick video, but I wanted to show you my wash day. If you want to see how I style, leave a comment below. Let's break in the shower.